Hello everyone, here is very interesting algebraic expression to solve. In order to solve this expression, we will have certain tricks by which we can easily solve this problem. First of all, on the left hand side we have 1 over x plus 1 over y, and on the right hand side we have 1 over 10. From the left hand side we just take LCM on the left hand side of this one. I will say this as equation number 1. We will take LCM. By taking LCM, what is the LCM of left hand side? It is simply xy. Then on above we have y plus x, where on the right hand side we simply have 1 over 10. Now, in order to further solve, we simplify it by multiplying if I will say it as equation number 2, multiplying equation number 2 by xy, what we will get? We simply have xy multiplied by y plus x over xy is equal to 1 over 10 xy. Now xy will be cancelled with xy, and again I will say this, I simply have y plus x is equal to xy over 10. Now I will say this as equation number 3. Now multiply this equation number 3 by 10. What I have here, simply I have 10 y plus x is equal to xy over 10 multiplied by 10. 10 is simply cancelled by this one, and I have simple left hand side 10 will be multiplied by y and x. I have 10y plus 10x minus xy. If I will take xy on this side, and this will be equal to simply 0. Now what I have, I will simply take this equation and just multiply by minus 1 by this equation. I will simply say this as 4. By multiplying equation number 4 by minus, I will got this as a positive xy, this is negative, minus 10x minus 10y is equal to 0. Now what we will do next, I will add, and I will say this as equation number 5. I will add 100 on both sides of 5. What I have, the next equation is simply, the next equation will become xy minus 10x minus 10y plus 100 is equal to 100. Now what I can take common here from these two factors, x is common from here and remaining factor is y minus 10, and from here these two factors, what I can take common, simply minus 10, and remaining factor is y minus 10, and it is equal to 100. Okay. Now for the next one, again y minus 10 is common in this equation, and I can write it as y minus 10 is common here, and the remaining factor is x minus 10, and this is equal to 100. Now we have here very interesting cases that these two factors are multiplied and we got 100. It may be happen, there are certain cases here. What are the cases? Case number 1, what is the case number 1 here? case 1 is simply that 100 y minus 10 multiplied by x minus 10 is equal to 100 into 1. From this, y minus 10 is 100 and x minus 10 is simply 1. If y minus 10 is equal to 100 and x minus 10 is equal to 1, from here what we will get? Simply y is equal to 100 plus 10 and y is equal to 110. And from here x is equal to simply 1 plus 10 and it is 11. So, from these two equations what we will get? X is equal to 11 and y is equal to 110. This is our one case. Now, what is the second case? What we will do that y minus 10 into x minus 10 is equal to, first is 100 into 1 and now it may be happen that it is 1 into 100. Now y minus 10 is equal to 1 and x minus 10 is equal to 100. From here what we have, y is equal to 11 and x is equal to 110. It is our second one. This is our second case. What is the third case? Case 3 is simply, what is the case 3? Case 3 is simple, x minus y minus 10 is into x minus 10 is equal to 100. We can write it 100 as 10 into 10. From this what we will have is simply y minus 10 is equal to 10 and x minus 10 is also equal to 10. From this y is equal to 20 and x is equal to 20. So this is our third case. So in this way we also have further two cases for such condition. These are the solution for the above given equation, that is our original equation was simply what was 1 over x plus 1 over y is equal to 1 over 10. This was our original equation and we have here three cases for the solution, that is case 1 is this one, in case 2 we have y and x this one, and in case 3 we have this one. Thank you for watching the video.